Proton count determines an element's identity and controls its chemical behavior by setting the number of electrons and thus the way atoms bond and react. Think of an atom like a tiny solar system where protons are the sun. They sit in the center and their positive charge pulls electrons into certain shells around them, which decides how the atom connects with others. The number of protons, called the atomic number, fixes how many electrons an atom has when neutral, and those electrons in the outer shell are the ones that make or break bonds. If an atom has a nearly full outer shell, it usually takes electrons or shares them differently than an atom with only one or two outer electrons. Changes in proton count mean you are dealing with a different element with different bonding habits, and moving electrons around or adding and removing protons changes how the atom behaves chemically. Students often think that only electrons matter and that protons are just stuck in the nucleus and do nothing. But the proton number actually sets the whole electronic pattern that controls chemistry, so remember, identity comes from protons. Another mistake is believing that changing protons is easy in ordinary chemistry. You cannot change the proton count without nuclear reactions, so do not confuse chemical reactions with nuclear changes. A final misconception is treating all atoms with similar masses as the same. Isotopes have extra neutrons, but the proton count stays what defines chemical properties, so focus on protons for behavior. Check out www.gumballdegree.com for more videos and resources on this topic.